আরেকজন কোশ্চেন করতে পারেন আনমিউট করে।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Firdous Rahman from Riyadh, KSA. I have been working here as a lecturer of English in a community school and college, Bangladesh Embassy School and College. I have been working here for 5 years. Now I am 38. I have completed my BA honors and MA in English. I have got 3.45 in BA and 3.63 in MA. But my question is that now I am 38. Am I late to do a PhD degree, or what are the opportunities I can enjoy in my field?
Okay, I think there were answer, but I will top you up again. You are 38. It's not too late, and you are engaged already in teaching, right? In college, right? So basically, you are already in that area. So you give teaching. So basically, you need to learn, teach. You need to engage with the students. So you are constantly with your field. What I feel. So you have done your master's, bachelor's, so PhD. I think my answer is you are in good shape. And also, what is your own motivation? What do you think? Are you think that you are too late, or you have still energy? 38 is still, I think, to me, I think still you are energetic. But answer is with you. Are you feeling energetic, or you feel
no
inertia?
doubt, I have energy, and I am very much interested to do my PhD. But in some universities, especially in KSA, I saw that they have age bar. They allow the students who are only 35 like this.
That may be one university. There are other universities you can explore. So don't keep only one option. So you want to go US. If you want to select only the US Airlines or American Airlines, that might be expensive. So you have to find maybe Emirates Airlines and some others. So you have to keep some other alternative options as well. And also now, what is your purpose actually? You really want to be an academician in university level. So then definitely you should go. And if you have some other purpose, so actually it depends on you. Age actually is not and should not be a criteria. Maybe specific that universities, I guess.
You want to say that age is not fact here?
Age is not factor as long as you are energetic. So I think that's because you are going to pursue. So you are energetic. So why not? You have all the necessary requirement criteria. You already there. You are engaged in teaching. I mean, constantly you are improving. So I think there is a good opportunities. Just find the alternatives, not only that specific university. Is it also that you want to keep your job? You want to be in Saudi Arabia, no other countries?
No, sir. I want to get anywhere if I get chance.
Then I think definitely there are options. So I thought maybe you want to keep your job. In that case, might be yes. Definitely, we can explore. In my view, the age is not an issue. Should not be an issue.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.